Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bahriatullah Iswari. My student number 213. Today I will present my research paper about social conflict of life reflected in Part C 2019, a sociological approach. The first one is Chapter 1, Introduction, Background of the Study. Social conflict is a phenomenon that occurs in human life. This social conflict is reflected in a movie, namely the movie Parasite 2019. This movie discusses the social conflict that occurs in South Korea, where the conspicuous social conflict are social conflict between the upper and lower classes. The author focused on social conflict and decided to discuss and raise this topic for research. And also not many people have researched the topic. And the second research question. The first research question, what social conflict is reflected in the Parasite 2019 movie by Bong Joon-ho? And the second, what social conflict is experienced by the major character as reflected in Parasite 2019 movie by Bong Joon-ho? And the next objective of the study. The first, to describe the social conflicts that occur in the Bong Joon-ho's Parasite 2019 movie, and the second, to describe the social conflict is experienced by the major character as reflected in the Bong Joon-ho's Parasite 2019 movie. And the next, benefit of the study. The first one, the theoretical benefit. It is hoped that results of this study can be a reference for further research related to the literary work of the movie Parasite 2019. And the second, practical benefit. It is hoped that it can add insight and knowledge for researchers in the practice of literary work in understanding the movie Parasite 2019 and the perspective of social conflict that occur in society. And the next is Chapter 2, Literature Review, Theory Sociology of Literature. According to Damono 1978, the relationship between sociology and literature can be cited by examining the literary work by connecting it with the social aspect that exists in life. This basically does not differ in explanation from a sociological or sociocultural approach to literature. And according to Welle and Warren 1995, sociology can be interpreted as an approach to literature that relate in terms of society. And the next notion of the sociology, explaining by Damono 2002, sociology is an objective and scientific study related to human and society. And the sociology of literature is cited Well and Warren 1956, which says that the sociology of literature is an approach to literary work that can consider social aspects, both aspects of social change, aspects of social institution. And the next The next, Chapter 3, Research Method. The first one, type of the study, is qualitative. The second, object of the study, Parasite 2019 movie directed by Bong Joon-ho. And the third, type of the data and the data source. The first, primary data source. The primary data source in this study is the Parasite 2019 movie directed by Bong Joon-ho. This movie comes from South Korea, which was released on June 20, 2019. And method of collecting data. The first one, analyze the movie Parse 2019. The second, identifying the problem and data. The third, reading some related research paper, article, journal to find out the related theory. And the next technique of analyzing data is sociological theory. The next is chapter 4, findings. In findings, I have two questions. The first question, what social conflict is reflected in the Parse 2019 movie by Bong Joon-ho? The first one, social conflict between the upper and lower classes, and the second, social conflict between individuals. And the second question, what social conflict is experienced by the major character as reflected in Parse 2019 movie by Bong Joon-ho? The first one, social conflict between upper and lower classes, and the second, social conflict between individuals. And the last conclusion, social conflict is an aspect that will definitely be experienced by every individual if it is associated with community life. There are two social conflicts that researchers found in this study. The first is the social conflict between the upper and lower classes, and the second is the social conflict between individuals. And this is my present. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.